Hi guys! Kamusta? Kamusta ang lahat? Guys, our weather is changing. So, it's total transition from summer to winter. Kaya maraming nagkakasakit ngayon, mga ubo, sipon, 'di ba? As usual, every year, yan na ang flu season, 'di ba? So, I hope everyone is doing well, walang sakit, at kung meron man kayong sakit, stay home at magpagaling kayo, magpalakas, di ba? So, our vlog for today is different. We're doing a review on one of our camping essential, which is, ta-da-da! Ang ating kaldero! Yes, guys! We're going to review our Stanley Caldero. So, wala nang eme-eme. Wala nang eme-eme. Wala nang eme-eme. Let's start the vlog. Let's go. So this is obviously a Stanley brand. Yung camp cook set ng Stanley, they have different ones. So but for this particular one, this is called Even Heat Pro Set. So ito yung tawag sa kanya. So just a little information about this Stanley cook set. So this is a stainless steel and it's really heavy, guys. So it's about 8.2 pounds. Yes, it's really heavy. And that's because meron pa siyang mga maliliit na items sa loob, which consists na total ng 11 items. Okay? So we're gonna open this up. So I got this from Amazon. It's about $150. And let me tell you guys right now, it's really worth getting this one, especially when you're camping. Not only camping, you could use it at home. Multi-layer siya. Ito. So you could use it sa campfire, sa grill, sa stove. Yes, so it's very useful anywhere. So we used to have a different cook set. It's an Ozark Trail na brand. It's from Walmart. I think I bought it mga $25-$30. So super mura siya. So nag-last lang sa amin yun mga 3 or 4 years. Tumagal din naman. So when we first got it, nagka-camp lang kami mga 2 to 3 times a year. So, imagine mo yun. So, 2 to 3 times mo lang ginagamit in a year and nag-last lang sa amin ng 3 or 4 years. Yung Ozark Trail that we have, it have 22 pieces na mga items sa isang box. So, it's more items than this one here. Meron siyang pots, pan, meron din siyang smaller na kaldero, yung smaller na pot. And then it has a plastic forks, plastic cups na may cover, plastic plates. So it's a set of 4. They even have a mesh bag. The whole thing has a mesh bag kasi wala siyang locking mechanism katulad ng bungee na to. But the quality nung pot is really bad. So, nasira siya. Makikita mo yung meron siyang line, yung parang pinagdikitan niya to put them together. So, meron siyang line and then yung part na yun nag-broke off. So, nasira siya, yung malaking pot. So, nag-broke off yun. So, that's why we decided to buy a new one na, yun nga, na magtatagal, na alam naming magtatagal kahit na medyo pricey. Alam naman namin na magtatagal sa amin. We've been looking for a good cook set for camping, just for camping. So para hindi na kami nagdadala ng mga cooking utensils, cooking pots and pan galing sa kitchen namin. So para meron na kaming set na naka-separate lang for camping. So na-surprise ako when we got it, when we received it. It was really heavy and then yung body niya, it's really thick. So malalaman mo talaga na maglalas sa'yo yung gamit na to. So now, let's open this pot. So use na to kasi ginamit na namin siya sa camping nung nag-camping kami ni Fillmore. But yeah, so the first thing you'll see is yung garterized na lock mechanism niya. So this one here, akala mo mahuhulog but it's not. So ito yung takip niya. So when you hold it, so it's very tight. Hindi siya madaling mahulog. So ito yung locking mechanism niya. So the only thing is it's really hard to open it and to close it. Doon lang ako nahihirapan. Kasi kailangan ng strength. Okay, so it's super tight. So itong position na to, I think itong position na to is to loosen this part up. So kapag ka inurong mo to, that's lock. Yan. So now let's open it up. Mahirap siyang buksan. Ganyan. Yan. And then when you open it, you'll see, the first one you'll see is this one here. So ito yung cutting board. So look how small it is na nagkasya doon. So cutting board siya. Yan. But we didn't really use this one kasi meron na kaming cutting board. And yeah. Ayan siya. But it's nice to have this just in case na mayroon kayong makalimutan. At least meron kayong extra cutting board. Diba? So ayan siya. Cutting board. Right? And another thing, so when you open yung takip, may makikita kayo na, look, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but merong naka-engrave na kung paano mo siya i-stock. Yung size nitong pot is, yung information niya nandito sa ilalim. Yeah, so it is 4.75 quarts or 4.5 liters. Okay? Next na makikita natin is yung pan. Oh, there you go. Ooh, you know, mabigat siya talaga, guys. So ito yung pan. So ito namang pan is 1 liter siya or 1.1 quarts. So ito yung niya, yung handle niya nasa likod. So kapag yung itong na-slide na to, kapag it's all the way up here, hindi mo siya you can't open it, nakalock siya. So you have to slide it all the way here, and then yan. And then you'll hear the click. And to lock this, kasi, so to lock this, you have to slide it down. Yan. And then lock na siya. So now let's go on to the next one, which is yung smaller pot. This one here. So this pot, yung size naman itong pot na to is 1.9 quarts or 1.8 liter. Alright. So same thing. So ito yung handle niya. Same thing with the other handle. So you have to like lift it. You'll hear the click. Yan. And then slide it to lock. Yan. Oh, and I forgot. So yung takip niya is meron na siyang mga butas. Same thing with the other so parehas na takip, meron siyang butas. Yan. So in case na you wanted to make a pasta, so ito na yung pinaka-strainer mo. Yan. So that's our smaller pot. And so inside ng smaller pot, nandun yung cooking utensils niya. So i-snap mo lang siyang ganito. I-snap mo lang siya. Yan. And then, same thing with the other one, i-snap lang din siya. So now let's move on to what's in the bottom, which is yung silicone na pot holder. Yan. So hindi ko masyadong nagamit to kasi hindi naman masyadong mainit yung hawakan. So nung nagluto kami, yung body niya is really hot but yung hawakan hindi naman masyadong mainit, no? So I didn't really get to use yung silicone na pot holder. Okay, so let's try to put everything back with the help of our cheat sheet. May cheat sheet. So, yeah. So, ito yung parang cheat sheet niya, no? Kung nahirapan kayong to put everything back or stack everything back sa big pan o sa big pot. Okay? So, first, ilalagay natin itong ating mga cooking utensils inside. And then when you put this, make sure na naka-align itong part na to, naka-align sa handle nyo. Yan. So we're going to slide this here and then ipe-press natin to and hold it. Yan. And i-slide natin dito para hindi siya maangat. Yan. Yung malaking pot natin, ilalagay na natin ang silicone pot holder sa ilalim. Just like that. Right? And then, ang ating small pot. Ingay. Yan. Next is yung ating pan. Same thing, we have to slide this over here to loosen it and press. Nakita nyo itong na to. Ipipress nyo to and then fold. Yan. And then slide it back. Yan. This one goes on top. Just like that. Next is, ifo-fold lang natin siya. It's easy to fold. Kasi meron na siyang parang line. Last is our huling takip. Yung ating cheat sheet. Yan. Kailangan i-align natin yung handle ng pot sa handle ng takip para lagay natin ng maayos yung ating garterized na lock. Garterized na lock. Ayan. So, once this side is in there, you just have to pull this. And there. So reasons why you should buy and get this Stanley brand na cook set is, one, it's well built. So yung quality niya is really good. I would say really good. Kasi pag pinikap mo pa lang yung isang pot without everything else inside, pinikap mo yung isang pot or yung pan, it's heavy, it's sturdy. Malalaman mo talaga na it's well built. Another thing is it's perfectly well designed. Meron pa siyang strainer dun sa takip niya or hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng strainer. It's compact. They stack evenly sa loob. At meron ka pang konting space to put some spices or some little cooking utensils. No? Yung mga can opener, yung mga ganon. Or even yung mga spoons and fork mo, pwede mo pang mailagay sa loob. So another thing is, it works very well. It does what it's supposed to do, yung pagpainit nga ng pagluto, yung pagpainit. Actually, madali siyang uminit. So yun yung isa sa napansin ko, madali siyang uminit. And they even give you yung silicone na pot holder. But we didn't really use that kasi kahit na mainit na yung lutuan mo, yung pot, yung handle niya, hindi siya nag-overheat. So, nahahawakan pa rin namin sa handle. Even though na kumukulo na yung pagkain sa loob. It's reasonably priced for its good quality. Yun yung masasabi ko, guys. Ganun naman yung mga hinahanap natin sa mga bagay na binibili natin, di ba? Yung mga maglalas ng matagal at magagamit natin ng matagal. Ng matagal. Ng matagal. Ng matagal. Kahit na uugod-ugod na tayo at nandito pa rin si Stanley, tabi natin. So, highly recommend this, guys. Not sponsored ha. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung experience namin for this Stanley cook set, no? So, yun. So, and this one, so Stanley exceeds my expectation. So, I give it 5 out of 5. So again, this one is called Stanley Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set. Nung dumating to, first time ko nakita na in love na ako sa kanya. Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set. Ang hirap, ang haba ng pangalan. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. I love this. So that's it for our vlog today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Again, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.